Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely beautiful Rotisserie restored 1969 Pontiac GTO Convertible. Powered by great running numbers matching 400. You can go ahead and shut it off, Brady. We can't leave them run too long inside. Got a bunch of snow, so the roads are kind of a little sloppy and softly cold, so we're gonna do these videos inside. But just an absolutely beautiful 69 goat. As I mentioned to start the video, rotisserie done. You have to check out the undercarriage on this GTO. Floors, frame, all painted body color to a very, very high standard. You could eat off the floors on this one. It's got the bucket seats, center console, his or hers dual gate shifter. Underneath the hood, done just as nicely as the undercarriage and the rest of the car. It was very detailed, power steering, power brakes, and ice cold factory air. VIN numbers matching 400 cubic inch engine, and also VIN numbers matching transmission. Meaning these are the original to the car. Paint on the bottom side of the hood is excellent. Just super clean. Paint on the inner fenders is excellent. Inner fenders themselves are nice. It's got the hideaway headlights. Front Enduro bumper is in excellent shape. It's a really pretty color too. It's like a light pewter, light silver. In the right light, it almost has like a little kind of almost light lavender hue. Just a really pretty light silver metallic. It's got the chrome Kreger SS wheels. And a really, really nice body on this too. It's laser straight, rock solid. Hood sticks up just a little bit here towards the back. Again, very common, especially on these GTO hoods. Door fits excellent. Doors laser straight. Front fender lines up well. Let's go around back to the rear quarter. Look up and down the sides, it's excellent. Fresh paint, so shouldn't be much for paint imperfection to talk about. Metallic was laid very nice and even. I don't see any chips or issues here on the driver's side. Door handles look new, and I believe we have a ton of receipts on this build. There's a 6-figure restoration done on this GTO. Door panels are new. All the hardware looks new. Scuff plates, door jamb paint, all that's excellent. Seats were redone. They even did the new chrome molding around the buckets. Wood grain's in excellent shape. It's the PMD Pontiac steering wheel. Even when you look at like the jam paint and all that, just done very nice. Power convertible top. Back bumper, tail lights, all the trim looks like that was replaced at time of restoration. Looks very nice. Trunk lid lines up perfectly across the back here. Excellent gap. Brady didn't shut our door all the way here when he jumped out. Now we got that door shut, you can see just how nice the body fits. Door fits perfectly flush with the quarter and the front fender. With as nice as this undercarriage is on the GTO, I'm not going to be driving this one out on the winter roads today. Just because, again, that undercarriage, I'll show you a sneak peek, but it's, like new, you could eat off it. So it'd be a shame to drive that on winter roads. But we have drove the car many times between our mechanics and myself. Car runs and drives beautifully, shifts good. Engine has good power, the air blows cold. Runs and drives just as nice as it looks. Again, new door panels, Jam paint's excellent. Corner of the door, rust-free, perfect. Bucket seats line up well. The interior lights work. Really sharp car and love the color. We'll go through quick and show you what all works on it. Power top works. Horn works. Fired up here, the hood tack works. Let's see about our wipers. Wipers work. New blades on them as well. Heater, fan, and air work. Turn it off here so don't run it too long inside. Gas gauge works. You have temp, gen, and oil lights in the dash. I have it to the auxiliary position right now, so it shows that those all do work. Radio works. Again, his is her dual gate shifter from Hurst with a wood grain handle. Just a really quality 1969 GTO convertible. Will win you shows, turn a lot of heads, and you'll have a lot of fun driving it. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next walk around and test drive.